Let's explore Dart programming and how it works. Dart is a versatile programming language developed by Google, primarily used for building mobile, desktop, server, and web applications. In Dart, variables are essential for storing data. You can declare them using keywords like var, final, or const. For example, using var, you might write varname equals Alice. This flexibility allows you to manage data efficiently. Dart supports common data types such as integers, doubles, strings, and booleans. These types help define the kind of data a variable can hold. For instance, you can declare an integer with int score equals 100. This ensures your data is handled correctly. Control flow in Dart is managed using conditional statements and loops. You can use if, else, and various loops to direct the program's execution. For example, if score is greater than 90, you might print excellent. Functions in Dart allow you to reuse code blocks that perform specific tasks and return values. For example, a function to add two numbers could be written as int add with parameters a and b, returning a plus b. Dart programming offers a robust framework for developers, providing tools to create efficient and dynamic applications. Understanding its core concepts is key to harnessing its full potential.